This morning, the first company I have the honor of introducing is ClearSight. CEO Patrick Smale has had a distinguished career in the life sciences sector and is a key figure in the eye care industry. He has over 20 years of commercial experience in market research, marketing, and sales with prior roles at successful life science companies. ClearSight Technologies is developing over-the-counter eye care products that combine artificial tears with an antimicrobial biopolymer, including the first over-the-counter treatments for pink eye, dry eye, and contact lens discomfort. Please welcome CEO Patrick Smale.
All right, good morning. Let me make sure this works. There we go. Thank you very much for the introduction. At ClearSight, we're tackling eye care conditions that cause daily pain and discomfort for nearly a third of the US population. And that's 30 million sufferers of dry eye, 45 million contact lens wearers, and 10 million parents and patients deal with pink eye every year. Those three markets are spending over $5 billion annually to treat these conditions, giving ClearSight an obtainable market of over $1 billion annually. Now, we do this and we provide treatment and relief through a novel combination of a proven artificial tear and a powerful antimicrobial biopolymer that allows us to launch 3 products. Artificial tears will be first in class to target biofilm. Contact lens rewetting drops that will be the only drops on the market that can clean the lenses while the user's wearing them. And then the first and only over-the-counter pink eye treatment that's also antiviral. You may not know this, but up to 80% of pink eye infections every year are caused by virus, not bacteria, even though the standard of care is topical prescription antibiotics. Where are we in this process? Well, we've completed all of our preclinical data. We've started the development process, and a great thing is we can do one manufacturing process to launch 3 products. The first of which will be the artificial tears in Q3, Q4 of this coming year, followed 6 months later by the contact lens rewetting drops, followed 6 months later by the pink eye drops. And for the pink eye drops, we do intend to complete clinical trials this coming year in Q2, Q3. Each one of these launches will represent significant valuation milestones for ClearSight. Looking at the competitive landscape, on the dry eye side, there are some big players. It is a very competitive market. On the pink eye side, it is totally blue ocean. Only prescription antibiotics, and there are M&A activities going on in this space. As recently as 2023, B&L bought the Blink franchise from Johnson & Johnson Vision for over $110 million. Our go-to-market strategy will be very focused, B to B to C. On the dry eye and contact lens rewetting side, we're going to sell through ophthalmologists and optometrists. And on the pink eye drops, we'll partner B to B to C with retail pharmacies such as Walgreens, Walmart, etc. We have 3 significant accelerator partners, Health Wildcatters in Dallas, Texas, Mass Challenge in Boston, Massachusetts, and Capital Factory in Austin, Texas. We have 2 private label partners, which will allow us to generate revenue near term that we're able to reinvest into our branded portfolio. Our pediatric partner, Cartwheel, has access to 6,000 Walgreens stores, and we've signed an LOI with them for $21 million. We're working with an eye care partner to sign an LOI this coming quarter, and our branded partners will expect LOIs from them in Q1, Q2 of this coming year. Those partners will allow us to launch within 12 months, achieve break-even by year 3, and achieve over $100 million in revenue by 2032, because these are very, very large markets, so that's less than 5% penetration in each of those markets. We have a team of eye care experts that's unparalleled as far as expertise and experience, over 60 years combined experience, IPO experience, over $5 million in grant funding previously, and a best-in-class scientific advisory board. We've raised $250 in a pre-seed round. We have $4 million of grant funding pending, and we're raising a $1.5 million seed round to allow us to achieve $2.5 million of ARR by the end of 2027. A clear future is in sight, and now we're looking for the right partners to help us get there. Stop by our table for more information. Thank you.